Hello, this is Bruno. To be honest, before badminton, I'm quite interested about DND. This this is what I see, or because this is Chinese. So this is what I see in the Dungeons and Dungeons and Dragons for the character sheet. And then after I saw this, and the people who call themselves DM and they're asking me to fill in the things, and then using the website to jot down some news, and then I just give up. I just give it up. It's too terrible. It's so many things that you need to add, and there's so many things you are going to miss, and so many things that you don't know what's that going to happen. So that is a very terrible ideas for the people that are trying to play D&D for the first time or even for the few times because that is very stressful and that's very a loss of taking. Although they got some programmings like this so that you can also consider like a calculations when you finish the application stop, saving storm, like this, and then you can also take a look for the part that you can automatically do things, but automatically do things is not really that easy on that character builders. So that's why and then I just other things that we can do. And somehow I just saw a character builder from the D&D Beyond. I think it's an official website, and they tell you what to do, and then they help you to all the things like you are going to choose your class and every it's very easy. If you are English speakers, I think that was better for you because you know what that means. But if you are Chinese or other language, maybe that a little bit hard. But I believe that some of the browser do have a translator, so you can understand what you're going to do, and then you can create different or cast different things that you can do, and then all the background, and you can select your own background. And once you select background, you can also do all those things that, and then they will tell you what to do. The best part is somebody is guiding you for all this work, and then I can also create my own species, and then all the things that I can also see that like dark visions, fire resistant. In back in the day, I need to write it down on a card, and then or even in Excel, I would need to drop it down to on a different slide, different tab, different table. And to be honest, I like this one is better. I think this one is better. This one feels like a guidance, a a mentors or a true thoroughly specialist to guide me to do the things and then to know what to do. Although I cannot say it's very nice because of the planes, because of the character sheet I have not made yet. But you can consider while we are playing on a golden skate and people guide me one by one, and then I know what to do next, what to do next, what to do next. I don't need to see the open ending and do the things. That is the first part, and then although I like paperwork also, although it might not be a good idea to do the automations or to calculations, but these character builders, and then once you build the character builders, and then you can print it out to the PDF, and then you can drop it, play it with your friends. Amazing. That's very amazing. So let's see what happens. I will finish this character builder later on, and then you can also see them. Thank you very much.